Today we learn the combined average with example. If there are more than one groups and the corresponding averages, then there is the combined average. We understand well by the formula of combined average. The formula will be xc bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus and so on plus nm xm bar upon n1 plus n2 plus and so on plus nm, where xc bar is the combined average, n1 is the number of observations of the first group and x1 bar is the corresponding average, and so on. Nm is the number of observations of the mth group and xm bar is the corresponding average upon the sum of the number of observations of the first group, second group and so on mth group. We can understand this with an example. The example is the average marks of 20 boys is 10 and the average marks of 30 girls is 25. Then find the combined average or find the average marks of all the students. We use the formula of combined average, that is xc bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Here n1 is the group of boys, that is 20. x1 bar is the corresponding average, that is 10. n2 is group of girls, that is 30. And x2 bar is the corresponding average, that is 25. Putting these values here, we have n1 x1 bar, that is 20 multiplied 10, that is 200 plus 30 multiplied 25, that is 750 upon n1 plus n2, that is 20 plus 10. It means 950 upon 50, that is 90. This is the combined average or the average marks of all the students included girls and boys is 19. This is the answer. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.